What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about my EDC backpack. So this is going to be exactly what I carry in it day to day. You know, a lot of stuff that I use and don't use, so I'm kind of trying to go through it, figure out what I think is going to end up being the best option for the long-term solution of kind of just a backpack that can still fit all the stuff that I want to, like my camera, my iPad, my, you know, all the stuff that I kind of use on a day-to-day basis, but separate some of the stuff out that I'm not using as much, make it into a car backpack per se, or maybe a bug out bag or whatever it is. So this is just going to be the look at what I currently have, and we'll see how that changes over the future. You know, a lot of big changes that I want to do to the stuff that I carry. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you will. This little pup right here would like that. Thanks. Alright, so here it is in all its very packed glory. Like I said, I'm trying to go through it, so just be aware of that. So it's kind of a little bit of a tight space here, so we will do our best to get everything in the shot. Anyways, so this is the Vertex EDC backpack. It has honestly been my favorite pack, I don't know, as long as I've had it. I've tried out a bunch of Maxpedition stuff, but it's like, seems like Vertex and REI are two brands that everything I try of theirs I love. So they have a Velcro strip here. I've got two patches, a flag and a don't tread on me. In this pouch I kind of keep it as more of the admin and chapstick pouch. So some of these cinnamon toothpicks, some chapstick, a monocular, just a cheapo one. Actually comes in handy more than you would think. Some more toothpicks. These are some matches in an old school ever dry container. And some facial tissues, also known as Kleenex or tissues. A lighter. Some hand sanitizer, blue in color just for fun. A custom made leather sheath for my Leatherman Sidekick. This is actually, I like this Leatherman a lot. It's pretty heavy, and when I was carrying it on my hip a lot, it just kind of got annoying. But if you guys are interested in these sheaths, let me know. Maybe I can make them and sell them, but just a friction fit, which is kind of cool. This probably could be not in here anymore, but Swiss Tech knife and some other chapstick. Lots of chapstick. I should call it our chapstick pocket. So I like this because they don't put a black, inner lining so you can see everything. We got a red pen and a highlighter, just because, and a spork. Probably could take those out. I haven't used them in a while, but I highlighter every so often. And here I have some more fire starting stuff. So just, I have a single lithium ion battery for a flashlight, and then I've got some flint and steel in here. So other than that, this is some note-taking stuff, and I have gift cards and that's pretty much it. A pad of paper if I need it. So that's all that is in here. We'll transition. We'll move this in just a second and show you the other pouch. All right. So camera's readjusted here. So this is kind of like a catch-all pouch. You can actually do two different things with this. So let's see if we can get a better view of that. There we go. So I have my bit kit. This is for that Leatherman skeletal or another Leatherman. This is just a little light so I can kind of see inside of that pouch. You know, you gotta have the cologne. I carry a buck knife in here. I know people are like, what the heck? But if for some reason I needed it, I have it. More batteries. So I use batteries on a daily basis at work. Change out my flashlights on, you know, my helmet and stuff. So some 9mm ammo, some hollow point 9mm ammo, and a little strip or two of duct tape in there. And that is that. So it's not a lot. You can actually tuck this back and keep that out. I don't, because it gives it more of a tactical look. Obviously, because I'm carrying a full-size knife and a bunch of ammo around, it's not something that I necessarily want flaunting around. But yeah, the ammo, is it necessary to carry every day? Probably not. Probably something that I could find a better solution for, as far as like the amount that I should carry, or just carry more mags instead. So that's something that I will be attempting to do in the future here. But yeah, in the main compartment here, so this is where the majority of the stuff I take in and out of is. So we've got a pin here, a tactical pin, Sharpie, one of those like more thin, like precise pins, a pencil, another pen, and then a screwdriver set. So just one of those Stanley screwdriver sets. I usually carry a book. I've been trying to finish this one for the last couple of months. I just haven't. So, but whenever I get downtime, I'll finish it. This is all my camera, like parts and pieces. You know, so I'll go through that in just a second. Alright, so in my camera gear here, it's not very complicated. I have the windscreen for my mic, a Sharpie, you know, I like Sharpies apparently. In this pouch I usually keep my mic, I separate it out. So this is the attachment for my phone. That way I can plug it into my phone and use and have good audio. This is a mount for my phone. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it down below, but it has the Joby GorillaPod mount to it right now. This is some lapel mic. These are decent. I'm looking for a better lapel mic, but they work for now. This is where I normally store my Moment lens. Another little GorillaPod knockoff, in case I want to mount my phone onto it. It does a decent job. That way I can use the GorillaPod and this if I wanted to. I do carry a GoPro in here, you know, because some of those shots you don't want to risk your camera or your phone for. So I carry this on me. I've got an extra battery for it in here. And these are just kind of odds and ends for the lapel mic. They're all just, you know, windscreens and wires. Here's a charger for one of the camera chargers that I carry. It's currently charging stuff. Extra GoPro battery. A micro SD to a normal SD card for the GoPro, and then this is a headlamp. And like, why the heck's a headlamp in here? If you're filming at night, this one is like $1, so I can actually use that just to light up whatever scene. It's not super bright, but it has come in handy, especially for that GoPro. So I just keep it in here. And that is officially everything out of that camera bag. Besides the mic, which I use a Rode Video Micro. And then sometimes I'll carry around my extra lenses, but those don't typically go in here. So yeah, back to the rest of the stuff. That's trash. In here is kind of my electronic dump ball. So I have a hard drive with the wires in there. I carry a charger for my cell phone. I carry the iPad cable. This is kind of my day-to-day planning, or planner, I guess you'd say. So I just write down whatever notes I have in there, things I want to get done, ideas. Sticky notes, because I put a big giant sticky note in there, which I can go over that stuff if you guys want later on. Here's my headphones that I hate not having headphones on me. I usually carry wired ones, but these ones stay in my backpack. And a pencil sharpener, because I just recently got this thing and I carry this around. So it's a traveler's pencil. So that is that. In here, so this is kind of one of the things I've actually found most useful, because I carry so much crap in this backpack, is to have, this is an REI Flash 18. This is an old school one, so there's no padding in it or anything. But like if we go, sometimes we'll go to amusement parks. I always have this in there because it ends up, I pull out the stuff that I actually want, water bottle, whatever, and put it in here, because there's just knives and all that stuff that they won't allow me in with. Or if I go on a hike, I don't want to carry everything, I'll just carry this. It's really convenient. It packs up super small, so I don't see why not. And it's come in handy more often than not. Some more Post-its. This is one of the things that, like, when I have it or when I really need it, it's nice to have, but it comes in handy maybe once a year. So I'm going to be reconsidering where I'm keeping this, because it does take up space. I used to carry a big hydro flask, and the hydro flask would just set in there, and I'd keep this off to the side, but it got kind of annoying. So, but there's that, and then in here is a towel, a small towel, if I needed to use it for shower, or just wiping my hands off, or wiping the dogs off if we hike or take them out. It's nice to have, so it goes right inside there. And the lid for it is down here. So this is my iPad in a giant case. I'm looking for a good case for that, but that's the iPad Pro, so that sits in there. Nothing really else. So on the side here, this is one thing that I do love about it, is it's got these big water bottle pouches. It can fit a full-size hydro flask or just a smaller one. I usually just keep my tripod on the side there. I don't like to carry around a huge full-size tripod, so I usually have this one on me. In case something comes up, I can use my phone, or I can use my camera here. Carry a small hydro flask. I like to try and stay hydrated. On the back, what's nice is it's got a pass through here, so it carries well. It's got a nice carry handle up top, and then this handle, or this doubles as a handle here, and that's super nice when you're grabbing it. So back here is for concealed carry, and I want to get one of their origami, whatever, to carry my gun in here, but because I don't always carry this on me, I have it in this case, and then I'll lock it up when when I'm gone or when I'm not around my backpack. This gets locked up. So so this is clear, but carry the Smith & Wesson shield and 9mm. Awesome gun, but I do like to always have one or a gun within reach. So and then I have 3 mags for it. Yeah, so that's that, and that's really all I carry. It's kind of a lot, and people are probably like, yeah, right, you don't carry all that crap on you all the time, or, well, why do you carry this, or why do you carry that? You know, it's one of those things where it's always refining. Sometimes I don't carry the book, sometimes I don't carry the camera stuff because it is my everyday carry, or my everyday carry backpack, but things change in it all the time. I'm trying to find the best option to say, hey, what is the stuff that I use and what is the stuff that I don't use, and really refine that process there. So if you'd like a full review on the backpack or any items in it, just leave a comment down below. If you like this video or you have suggestions for this video, give it a thumbs up, tap that thumbs up button, and yeah, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel. If there's anything you guys would like to see, let me know, and yeah, I'll try and do the video soon. Anyways, have a great day. Peace.